If you're looking to streamline your vendor payment process, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to use Navan for managing vendor payments and show you why it's an essential tool for businesses of all sizes. Navan is an all-in-one software designed to simplify how businesses handle their finances. One of its standout features is its ability to manage vendor payments efficiently, cutting down on administrative overhead and minimizing the chances of human error. So, how does it work? First off, with Navan, you can add your vendor details into the system. Whether it's a single supplier or multiple, Navan makes it easy to track and organize them all in one place. You'll enter key information like the vendor's name, payment terms, and bank details, ensuring that you have everything you need for quick and accurate payments. Once that's set up, you can schedule payments to vendors directly from within Navan. You don't have to worry about manually entering payment details every time. Navan allows you to set up recurring payments so you never miss a due date again. It also integrates with your accounting software, making it seamless for you to stay on top of your finances without having to jump between multiple platforms. The next step in managing vendor payments with Navan is automation. This tool lets you automate the approval process, which is perfect if you have multiple people involved in approving payments. Instead of sending emails back and forth or printing out documents for signatures, everything is done digitally within the platform. This not only speeds up the process, but also keeps everything compliant and transparent. Another huge advantage of using Navan for vendor payments is its reporting capabilities. You'll get detailed reports that give you insight into your cash flow, making it easier to keep track of how much you're spending on each vendor. This helps you stay on budget and make smarter financial decisions moving forward. But that's not all. Navan also provides security features to protect your payments. With fraud detection and multi-factor authentication, you can rest assured that your transactions are safe. This is a critical aspect when dealing with payments to multiple vendors, and it's something Navan handles with ease. Now, I know some of you might be wondering, is this software really as easy to use as it sounds? The answer is yes. Navan is user-friendly, even for those who don't have a background in finance or accounting. Its intuitive interface and automated features are designed to save you time, not add complexity to your work. If you're interested in trying Navan for yourself, we've got something special for you. By using the first link in the description below, you can access Navan for completely free, along with some exclusive bonuses. This means you can test all these features out without committing to a long-term contract. So, as you can see, Navan offers a lot more than just a simple payment solution. It's a comprehensive tool that saves time, improves accuracy, and enhances security for your vendor payments. And don't forget to use the link below for your extended free trial. Thanks for watching, and if you want more videos like this, be sure to check out the description for additional resources.